Handyman, the most beautiful and powerful Flutter solution to launch your on-demand service platform faster and cost-effectively. And this ready-to-use solution consists of all the resources that you need to launch your platform successfully. Let's take a closer look at the Admin app. It is an add-on app that you can just get separately, and it is designed for the platform owners to keep track of their entire business from anywhere. Admin can manage all the service categories and subcategories. They can view and manage all the providers, handymans, users registered on their platform. They can view all the bookings. They can track the platform performance, and they can also do some changes with settings. And there is a lot more. To understand how this whole system works and how all pieces fits together, you can check out our detailed walkthrough of this video. Handyman has already helped 500 plus businesses and individuals to launch their app in no time and without spending lots of money. Now is the perfect time to start your on-demand service platform with Handyman.